Hello, I'm Pavol,
And I'm Björn.
and we would like to present you an IoT device power consumption measurement demo. In our test setup, we have different devices. One of them is a device with different sensors, like a thermometer, a humidity sensor, and so forth. And the device is measuring its environment and sending this data over a 5G RedCap connection to a computer. The 5G RedCap connection is provided by Anritsu's MT8000A, and the device itself is powered by Qoitech's Otii Ace Pro.
And in this joint demonstration, Otii Ace powers the device, and at the same time, it is importing log files from the base station simulator and synchronizing the log files with the power measurement. This to get a view of how the network affects the power consumption. When you know how your device behaves, you will look into how the battery affects the system. The Otii Ace Pro can act as a battery emulator, emulating the battery at a different temperature and other conditions to see how this affects the system. When you have done this, you can do a very accurate battery life estimation based on this real data, not on data sheet.
Okay, let's now look at the measurement a little bit in more detail. Right now, the device's transmission power is set to -20 dBm. In real life, it would correspond to the device being placed close to the base station. Now, if I set it to 20 dBm, which means the device is transmitting with much more power, corresponding to its placement further away from the base station, clearly also see that the power consumed increased. So this clearly shows us the relationship between the device's transmission power and how much power it actually consumes.
So now you see how easy it is to do a measurement with the network and the measuring power at the same time, together with Qoitech and Anritsu.
Thank you for your attention.